Hey guys, it's Deborah from Time with Jewel by Deborah. So today I think this is a fun box. I'm not positive. It's a bonus video day. So this came from Mechanicsburg. It looked like I received it 12/20 of 2023. Let me go ahead and get this bad boy cut. Hey, wow, they didn't put too much tape on it. Surprise, surprise. All right, so let me get this open. I'm going to take off the top and give you guys first look. Let me move my receipt. So there we go. Ooh, it looks like warm stuff. How did they know it's going to be -14? All right. So I ordered this December 12th. I would have used a $20 credit. Originally, I think these boxes are like 48. So I think mine was 28. So win-win. All right. Well, we've got a purse with flowers, and it's like a cream. It's a faux fur. Let's see. It doesn't have any branding on it, but it's super cute. I like that. It's pretty big. So, yeah. What I'll do is, through this video, I will go ahead and insert prices and any other information you need. So, all right. That's our first piece. Oh, POTUS. I love my POTUS.com. Okay. So these are socks with that faux Sherpa. Go with this. Oh, I tell you, I love this. I got this in a ThredUP box. One of my very first fun boxes I ever opened. So yeah, Fundus, try me out. And these are animal friendly, not made from fur. Socks. So very nice. Never heard of this brand, but boy, are they padded. Okay. Again, we've got a hat. Cold weather stuff. This is marked CC. It's got a little pom-pom. I have heard of this company before. It's like a cream color, nice and stretchy. It's cute. Like it. All right. Then we got a handy made by Michelle France. I think that's, yes, F-R-E. And I'm looking for my little reader. Michelle France, F-R-A-N-T-Z. Now, I know Michelle France was part of Madewell. I'm not sure if she's still part of Madewell, but she was. It's got a TJ Maxx tag on it. So it is a little leather tasseled key card holder, credit card holder, coin purse. Just a little coin purse. But yeah, I remember reading something about her being at Madewell as one of the designers or something. So this brand I am aware with. They do make purses. It's super cute. So it is a little coin purse with tassels. Fringe, sorry, not tassels. All right. Then we got Laurelus glass case. Okay. You guys ready? Oh, what do you think? Okay, well, they're clean. There's no scratches that I can see. These are thick sunglasses. No information on them. So I will definitely look that up. It definitely needs a good cleaning. So Laurelus, I will have to look that up and get you guys some information. All right, Adore Me. Okay, we're going to open this up. It is red. I'll put it back in there once we know what it is. It is... Okay. It's thongs. It is a thong. So, super cute. Super chilly for this kind of weather. But really cute. Thank goodness it's new. With the tag. I'm going to put it back in the box. So, Adore Me. That is really a cute little piece. Alright, then we've got a piece of jewelry. We've got a silver tone, gold tone, with rhinestone bracelet. I'm just looking to see if I see any names. I don't. It is stretchy. It's gold tone, silver tone with rhinestones. Really pretty. So that's cute. Looks like it's in great condition. Is this what I think it is? No. Okay, it can't be. Okay, it's either... What I was thinking was, when I saw this, it might be one of those, it's either Gucci or Fendi. I can't remember. Once I remember, I'll put it up there. But this is a little hanger. So this is a knockoff of the, it's either Fendi or Gucci. I cannot remember who it is. But they have these little ball decor, I guess you can call it. I can't remember who it was, if it was Gucci, Fendi, somebody. But this is definitely not a Gucci or Fendi because it would say it all over it. So this is a little monster puffball. Little face right there. They don't do anything. They just hang there and look cute. My heart was beating there for a second. So that's a thing to know. Okay, then we have a Steve Madden purse. Get this up here. It is brown. It is pebbled. Front zipper. Looks clean, smells okay. Just show you guys the inside. So it is deep. It has two front slide pockets, a back one. Zipper works. So it's Steve Madden, and you can wear it as a backpack. So nice, 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 nice. So okay, and then one more piece. Okay, this is weird, but kind of cool. Look at this, you guys. So I'm assuming this is a little purse. Let's take this off. It does say something in there. I will look it up, and if I find out the information, I'll let you guys know. But it's like a little paper mache kind of decorated little purse that is kind of cute. Kind of cute. Tassels and a Rebecca Minkoff like chain. So, all right. So what I'll do is, if you guys are interested in this, email me at timelessjoe@gmail.com. I will have prices up during the video, and let me know, what do you guys think? So we got that purse, then we got the Steve Madden, we got the fuzzy little monster bag, we got the thong, the glasses, we got the coin purse, and it's called Handmade by Michelle Franz, and then the stretchy bracelet, which is actually very pretty, and I'm picky on my jewelry. We got the CC hat, then we've got the putis, really thick socks, and we got that puppy purse. So all right, you guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this bonus video. I have been busy staying put during this cold weather, reorganizing my office. That way I got some new furniture. My son put it together for me, and he did a fantastic job. So all right, you guys, I want to say thank you, and don't forget, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and if you like this, please share it out. I would really appreciate your help. And as always, be well and take care of each other. Bye, you guys. I'll see you real soon.